In this walkthrough, we'll be migrating the infrastructure of Pet Clinic from AWS to OVH Cloud, using Facets, Intelligence, and Praxis to handle the entire process. Before we begin the migration, there are two things we need to set up. First, we integrate the AWS Cloud account into Praxis by providing the role ARN and any other required details. This gives Praxis visibility into everything running inside that account. Once the cloud account is connected, the next step is to integrate the repository where all the OVH modules are stored. These modules are what Praxis will use to recreate your infrastructure on the OVH side. Now, if your OVH modules haven't been created yet, don't worry. Praxis will automatically scan your existing infrastructure and generate the corresponding OVH modules for you. But in this case, the OVH modules are already created. So what Praxis does here is register all of those modules directly into the control plane, making them immediately available for the migration. As you can see on screen, all the modules are now registered and ready to use. We're ready to start the migration from AWS to OVH. The process kicks off by adding the cloud account we just connected. From here, Praxis takes over. It will discover all the infrastructure components currently running in that AWS cloud account. Once we review and approve what it finds, Praxis will map each component to its corresponding OVH module and build out the infrastructure accordingly. And finally, it generates a complete blueprint using those equivalent OVH modules. At this point, Praxis has discovered 8 to 9 resources for the Pet Clinic application in the AWS account, including network, cluster, node pool, service, ingress, and more. We review the list, approve it, and give Praxis the go-ahead to proceed. With approval given, Praxis gets to work. It creates the OVH migration project, adds the cloud account, and provisions all the OVH specific resources: network, cluster, node pool, and everything else that was running on AWS. The infrastructure is now fully migrated to OVH Cloud. All that's left is to launch the environment using these modules, and the Pet Clinic application will be up and running on OVH exactly as it was before. That's Praxis in action, discovering, mapping, and migrating your entire infrastructure across cloud providers with minimal manual intervention. Visit Facets.cloud to see what Praxis can do for your stack.